Recording audio in TwistedWave is quite simple. You can see the record button near the top of the screen. When you click this button, TwistedWave will begin recording. However, before you start, you should complete a few important checks. These pre-recording checks will help you avoid technical problems and capture better quality audio. The first step is to make sure TwistedWave is using the correct microphone. Go to the audio menu and find the input device settings. You should see a check mark next to the microphone or audio interface you want to use. My microphone is connected through an audio interface, so the name of my interface, Scarlett 2i to USB, appears as the selected input device. Your device name will probably be different. You will see the name of your microphone or your audio interface. The important thing is to confirm that the correct device has a check mark beside it. After selecting the microphone, you should check your input level. Go to the audio menu and click Check Input Levels. Once you turn this on, the meter on the right side of the screen will display your current recording level. Speak into the microphone using the same voice and volume that you plan to use during your recording. Ideally, your recording level should remain between -20 and -6 decibels. The level should be strong enough to produce a clear waveform, but it should not go beyond -6 decibels or enter the red area of the meter. The red area is a warning. When the recording level enters the red area, the audio may clip and become distorted. Severe clipping and distortion cannot usually be repaired properly during post-production. That is why it is important to set your recording level correctly before you begin. A good recording level also tells you that several other things are working correctly. It usually means your microphone position is suitable, you are speaking into the microphone correctly, and the gain on your microphone or audio interface has been adjusted properly. When you capture a clean and strong signal, the audio will be much easier to edit and process later. You can turn off the input level check by clicking Check Input Levels again. Once you have confirmed the microphone and checked the recording level, you are ready to record. Click the record button. The recording will begin, and you will see the waveform appearing on the screen as you speak. The waveform gives you a visual representation of your voice. As you continue speaking, TwistedWave will continue adding the new audio to the waveform. When you have finished recording, stop the recording. That is the basic process of recording audio in TwistedWave. TwistedWave has become a popular choice among audiobook narrators because it is simple, fast, and easy to use. It also includes some useful features for long-form narration. For example, TwistedWave can make the proofreading process easier. You can listen through your recording, locate mistakes, and correct individual sections without making the editing process unnecessarily complicated. TwistedWave also has a speech recognition feature. You need to configure this feature before using it. Once it has been set up correctly, TwistedWave can display a transcription of your recording. This can help you follow the spoken words while reviewing your audio. It may also make it easier to locate specific sentences, mistakes, or sections that need to be recorded again. These features can be especially helpful when you are working on long audiobook chapters. If you are interested in learning TwistedWave in more detail, you can join my TwistedWave Masterclass. This is a 3-session workshop in which I will explain how to use TwistedWave for audiobook narration and other types of voice recording. To join the workshop, visit the page linked in the video description. Scroll to the bottom of the page where you will find the Zoom link to join and replays of the classes once they happen. Currently, it is blurred, but will show you once you purchase. There are 2 ways to purchase this masterclass: a one-time payment and a membership. You can purchase the workshop for a one-time payment of $197. To choose this option, click the Buy Now button. You will then be taken to the payment page. You can also join as a Pro member for $97 per month. Click the arrow beside the Buy button, and you will see the membership option. Pro membership gives you access to this workshop along with other workshops offered during the next 30 days. To choose this option, click the button to join the $97 per month membership. After the live workshop has taken place, all the replay videos will be added to the same page. Therefore, even if you are watching this video after the live workshop has ended, you can still purchase access and watch the replays. I also have an on-demand TwistedWave course, if you prefer to learn at your own pace and watch the lessons whenever it is convenient for you. I will include links to both the TwistedWave Masterclass and the on-demand course in the video description and the pinned comment.